In this tutorial, we will go over how to use the setRanges function to define memory regions, search for values, and display results. The function sets the memory region where GameGuardian will search for values. The ranges parameter defines the specific memory area. In recent versions of Lua, we can use the bitwise operator to combine multiple memory regions when using the setRanges function. If the bitwise operator does not work in your Lua version, you can use the bit32bor function as an alternative to combine multiple memory regions. Both methods achieve the same result, allowing GameGuardian to search in multiple memory regions simultaneously. In the following example, the script provides a simple menu system to select memory ranges and search for values dynamically. We define the main menu function, which starts an infinite loop using while true do. This loop will keep running until the user decides to exit. The continue label is used to jump back to this point if an invalid choice is made, allowing the script to restart the menu. Next, we create a menu using the choice function, which gives the user 4 options to choose from. The choice function displays this menu, and range choice stores the user's selection. If range choice is equal to 1, the script sets the memory range to anonymous. If range choice is 2, the memory range is set to C-alloc. If range choice is 3, it combines multiple regions. If range choice is 4, shows an alert and then stops the script with the OS exit function. If the user selects an invalid option, the script shows an alert and returns to the Continue label to restart the menu. The code asks the user to enter a value to search using the prompt function. The input is stored in the search value variable, where it expects a number. If the input is invalid, meaning search value is nil or empty, an alert will display. Then, it jumps back to the Continue label to restart the menu. The clear results function is used to clear any previous search results. Then, the search number function starts searching for the value entered by the user in the D-word format. After that, getResults retrieves up to 50 search results, which are stored in the results variable. Finally, the block of code counts how many results were found and stores the count in the results count variable. If results count is equal to 0, it means no results were found, so an alert will show, followed by the search value entered by the user. If results were found, a result text variable is created to display a message and the number of results found. Then, a for loop goes through each result and adds the address and value of each result to the result text. Finally, an alert displays the complete list of results to the user. After that, the clear results function is called to clear the results, and the loop in the main menu function continues. When you want to automate searches, the setRanges function, combined with the getRanges function, becomes a powerful tool. It is an essential part of every advanced scripter's toolkit, as it helps reduce the number of searches by narrowing the search area based on specific memory ranges. This makes your scripts more efficient and targeted.